Now, we're gonna do parallel parking. I'm gonna park between the Mini Cooper and the black car. But notice their bumpers are not by the lines, there's space. You don't want to park by cars that their bumpers are on line or close to them, because it restricts your space. Now, we're going to move up and match our side mirrors. So that little window right here is parallel to the back bumper, the little triangle. That's when I turn hard right, all the way to the right. Now I'm looking in my left mirror, over here, my left side mirror. And what I do is I'm looking in it until I see the headlight of that Mini Cooper close to the curb. Then I straighten out. And I come straight backwards towards that light until my front bumper passes that black car's back bumper. Now I turn hard left. So I'm turning hard left. I'm looking behind the car because I'm watching the car behind us. Okay, now I'm going to put my car in drive, and I'm going to bring my car, turn hard right, and I bring my car in. And that's parallel parking. And then I move up so I'm between the two cars.